Hello everyone, welcome to EDUSOFT. So today we are going to start on a very new topic, that is electronic spreadsheet. So before starting on this topic, we need to understand what is electronic spreadsheet. An electronic spreadsheet is a powerful and flexible tool to deal with numbers, financial figures, calculations, formulas, and other related calculations. Suppose you have data, and in that data, you want to work on numbers. You want to work on some formulas, some calculations. So, electronic spreadsheet will be your ideal choice. Electronic spreadsheets are fast, flexible, and easy to maintain. They provide several inbuilt features that assist in easy and efficient calculations. Like if we are using formulas, if we are using any functions formattings. So there are many inbuilt functions that are available in electronic spreadsheet. So electronic spreadsheets are fast, flexible, and easy to maintain. So before starting on this topic of electronic spreadsheet, we need to understand what are the following topics which we are going to cover in this session. We are going to learn about toolbars, rows and columns, active cells, cell addresses, cell references, and the cell range. So before starting on electronic spreadsheet, let's understand why we use electronic spreadsheets. Or we can say, what are the features of electronic spreadsheets? Number one is maintaining and keeping track of financial and mathematical figures and records over the time. Electronic spreadsheet is very useful if you want to maintain and keep the track of financial and mathematical figures. Number second is analysis of data through various tools like graphs, tables, and what if analysis methods. Number third one is applying formulas and functions to perform automatic calculations across changing figures. Number fourth, managing data in suitable form using data validations and conditional formatting. Number fifth one is arranging and working on data through sorting and filters. And the last one is automating common tasks such as generating reports, performing routine calculations, organizing, and formatting the data. So these are the common features of electronic spreadsheets. Why we use electronic spreadsheets? If you want to maintain or keep track of financial figures, if you want to analyze your data through various tools, if you want to apply or work on some formulas, some functions, if you want to manage your data in suitable format. So electronic spreadsheet is very useful. So let's start our session. So this is our Libre office. We have many options over here. We have writer document, we have calculator spreadsheet, we have impress presentation, we have draw drawing, we have math formula, and we have base database. We have already covered all the topics related to writer document. Video is available on our YouTube channel. You can go through it. So in today's session, what we are going to see? We are going to cover about calculator spreadsheet. So if you want to open calculator spreadsheet, what you have to do? You have to just double click over here and your calculator spreadsheet window will appear like this. So this is your calculator spreadsheet. At the very top, what you have title bar. सबसे ऊपर क्या होता है? Title bar होता है. Below title bar, you can see that is menu bar. Title bar के नीचे क्या होता है? Menu bar होता है. In menu bar, you can see different options. Like you have file, edit, view, insert, format, styles, sheet, data, tools, window, and help. So this is your menu bar. Below the menu bar, you have toolbar. So the top one is title bar. Below title bar, we have menu bar. Below menu bar, we have toolbar. And you can see over here what we call this. This is the name box and this is the function button. And this is the input line. So if you want to enter any input, you can enter from here. This is the function button. You can see these are rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are rows and they are column A, B, C, D. ABCD क्या है, ये आपके कॉलम्स होते हैं, एंड 1 2 3 4 ये क्या होता है, ये आपके रोज होते हैं। हेयर यू कैन सी दिस इज द वर्कशीट नेम, शीट 1, ये क्या होता है, जो आपकी वर्कशीट है इसका नाम होता है। दिस होल इज नोन एज वर्कशीट, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इसको हम वर्कशीट बोलते हैं। एंड हेयर दिस इज योर साइड बार, or we can say this is your scroll bar and this is your sidebar over here. So this is the basic understanding of electronic spreadsheet. Now we are going to see one by one what is title bar. Title bar क्या होता है, it displays the name of the workbook and 3 control buttons. कौन कौन से control buttons होते हैं, minimize, maximize and the close. Below title bar what we have menu bar. It contains all the menus relevant to calculations. Like we have file, edit, view, insert, format, and many more. Now below the menu bar, what we have toolbar. So there are various toolbar options that are displayed. User can hide and display them using the view, menu, and toolbar submenu. So various toolbar options are displayed over. So you have various toolbar options. If you want to hide toolbar, so what you have to do? You have to go to this view option. अगर आपको अपना toolbar hide करना है तो आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको view पे जाना है. In view, you have one option that is the toolbar, and in toolbar you can find one option that is the standard. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि आपने स्टैंडर्ड पे ऑलरेडी टिक किया हुआ है. इफ यू वांट टू हाइड टूल बार, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ओवर हियर एंड यू कैन सी ओवर हियर कि जो आपका टूल बार है वो हाइड हो गया है. And what if I want to get my toolbar? So what you have to do, you have to go to this view. Again, you have to go to toolbar and from here you can click over here. That is the standard. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे होंगे जो आपका toolbar है वो आ चुका है. Below toolbar, what you have formula bar. So what is this formula bar? This bar is specific to calculator applications. What it contains name box, which display the current cell address, buttons for function, common functions, and the formulas. So below the toolbar, what you have the formula bar. Formula bar में क्या होता है आपके पास? It contains the name box. So this is your name box. ये क्या है? ये आपका name box है जो आपका cell है. Suppose right now I am going to click over here. So ये क्या है? ये मेरा cell address है. क्या होगा? B5. अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करती हूँ तो मेरा सेल एड्रेस क्या होगा या सेल नेम क्या होगा, D3 मेरा सेल नेम होगा. After this, what you have the buttons for functions, you have common functions and formulas. So this is your input line. Formula bar also has input line that displays the data and formulas entered in an active cell. एक्टिव सेल क्या होता है, लाइक इफ आई वांट टू क्लिक ओवर हियर, तो ये क्या हुआ, ये मेरा एक्टिव सेल है. इफ आई वांट टू क्लिक ओवर हियर, सो दिस रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये मेरा एक्टिव सेल है. इसका एड्रेस क्या आएगा, C5, दैट इज द नेम बॉक्स में. एंड इफ आई वांट टू राइट ओवर हियर व्हाट आई वांट टू राइट, सपोज आई वांट टू राइट ओवर हियर लाइक दिल्ली. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि जो भी आपका इनपुट होता है एक्टिव सेल में, वही आपका कहाँ पे आएगा, इनपुट लाइन में आपके पास इनपुट आएगा. It can also be used for entering or editing the data, labels and formulas. Suppose this is Delhi. If I want to edit this one, तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं यहाँ से भी इसको edit कर सकती हूँ. If I want to write here Mumbai like this, तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि मैं इनपुट लाइन के थ्रू अपने डेटा को, जो भी मेरा एक्टिव सेल में डेटा है, मैं उसको एडिट कर सकती हूँ. So this is all about formula bar. Now coming to next one, that is the workbook and the worksheet. So we need to understand what is the basic difference between workbook and the worksheet. वर्कशीट क्या होता है, जैसे कि जो आप अभी अपने स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो, ये क्या है, ये आपकी वर्कशीट है, शीट 1. तो शीट 1 क्या हुआ, ये आपकी वर्कशीट होती है. A worksheet stores the data. Worksheets are also referred to as the sheets. Worksheets को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, सिर्फ sheets भी बोल सकते हैं. Now what is workbook? Workbook is the file that is saved with the name and may contain one or more worksheet. अगर आपके पास एक ही वर्कशीट है, अगर आपके पास ये शीट है, तो आप इसको क्या बोलेंगे, इसको आप वर्कशीट बोलेंगे. वर्कबुक क्या होता है, जब आपकी एक से ज्यादा वर्कशीट्स को आप अपने सिस्टम में सेव करते हो, तो वो क्या होता है, वो वर्कबुक होता है, जिसमें एक शीट भी हो सकती है, 2 शीट्स भी हो सकती हैं. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन वर्कबुक एंड द वर्कशीट. Now coming to next one, that is rows and columns. So we need to understand what is row and what is column. So you can see over here, These are the horizontal. रोज क्या होते हैं? रोज हमेशा हॉरिजॉन्टल होते हैं एंड कॉलम्स हमेशा वर्टिकल होते हैं. So horizontal rows and vertical columns form a grid of cells in which data values, functions and formulas are stored. आपको ये क्या दिख रहा है? ये आपका सेल होता है. So how cell is formed? When horizontal rows and vertical columns फॉर्म अ ग्रिड. तो उस ग्रिड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? उस ग्रिड को हम सेल बोलते हैं, जिसमें हम किसी भी डेटा वैल्यू को एंटर कर सकते हैं, फंक्शंस को एंटर कर सकते हैं एंड फॉर्मूलाज को एंटर कर सकते हैं. सो वर्कशीट प्रोवाइड्स अ टैबुलर लुक टू द डेटा शीट. We need to understand here one thing, that rows are identified by numbers. Rows में क्या होता है? Numbers होते हैं, like 1 2 3 4. So this is your row. And columns are identified by alphabets. और columns में क्या होगा? आपको alphabets मिलते हैं, like A B C D. So this is your alphabets and 1 2 3 4. This is your row. Row numbers are displayed on the left-hand side of each row, while column alphabet letters are displayed at the top of the corresponding column. You can see over here, these are the rows 1 2 3 4. So they are displayed at the left side, while the columns, so these are columns A B C D, they are displayed at the top column. Row and column form a cell. So this is your cell. We need to understand here one thing, that a cell is displayed by the column letter and then the row letter. Suppose this is my cell. तो इसमें जो आपका कॉलम लेटर होगा वो क्या है? बी. एंड रो लेटर क्या होगा? 3. सो इसका जो नेम है सेल का वो क्या होगा? B3 होगा. Suppose if we take another example, like if I want write over here. So what is my column? My column is E, and what is my row? My row is 7. So the name of this cell is E7. You can see over here name cell. तो ये क्या है? E7 is the name cell. Now coming to next part, that is the active cell. We need to understand what is active cell. Active cell क्या होता है? The currently selected cell on which rectangular cell pointer is located is called the active cell. जो आपका selected cell है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसको हम active cell बोलते हैं. Like this is, so this is called as active cell. This is called as active cell. Now coming to next one, that is the sheet tab. It indicates the name of the worksheet and you can switch between the different sheets by clicking on it. Suppose this, so this is known as the sheet tab. If you want to add more sheets, so what you have to do, you have to click over here. इससे क्या होगा कि आपकी different sheets add हो जाएंगी. If you want to go to sheet 1, so what you have to do, you have to click over here. जिससे क्या होगा, आप sheet 1 पे आ जाएंगे. If you want to go to sheet 2, so what you have to do, you have to click over sheet 2. जिससे क्या होगा, आप sheet 2 पे आ जाएंगे. So this is known as sheet tab. Now coming to next one, that is the status bar. So what is the status bar? It displays the information about current selection that includes the total number, or we can say the total count of cells. Suppose if I am working over worksheet and if I am working over like this many cells. So you can see over here in the status bar, the selected part is 20 rows and the 5 columns. So it also displays the information about the current selection. Now coming to next one, that is the scroll bar. So in calculator spreadsheet, we have both horizontal scroll bar like this one. This is the horizontal scroll bar and the vertical scroll bar like this. So you have both horizontal and the vertical scroll bar. Now coming to next one, that is the cell address. So we need to understand what is cell address. Cell address क्या होता है? So if I am going to click over here, so you can see over here C13. So the number that is the C13. ये क्या है? ये आपका cell address है. सबसे पहले क्या होगा, आपका कॉलम आता है, कॉलम नेम आता है एंड देन आपका क्या आएगा, रो नेम आएगा. So C13 is your cell address. Now coming to next one, that is the cell reference. So what is the cell reference? Cell reference क्या होता है? We can say in automatic calculations, with the help of functions and formulas, cells are referred to by their cell addresses. Then it is called cell references. जब भी हम कोई एक कैलकुलेशन कर रहे होते हैं वर्कशीट में, at that time we always refer one cell by the cell address. तो हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? इसको हम cell reference बोलते हैं. Now coming to next one, that is the cell range. So what is the cell range? What do you understand by cell range? A set of selected consecutive cells is called cell range. क्या होता है कि अगर आपके कुछ सिलेक्शन है किसका, कॉन्सिक्यूटिव सेल्स का, तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, इसको हम सेल रेंज बोलते हैं. लाइक इफ आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, सो फ्रॉम D6 टू H6, ये क्या है, ये मेरा सेल रेंज है. एंड यू कैन सी ओवर हेयर फ्रॉम D6 टू H6, एंड यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हेयर D6 इज द स्टार्टिंग रेंज, H6 क्या होता है, ये आपकी एंड रेंज होती है. And both the, that is the starting range and the end range, they both are separated by colon. So D6 is your starting range and H6 is your end range. Let's say from here I want to select from here to here, so in this case C9 is your starting range and H9 is your end point. So range आपकी क्या हो गई, range आपकी हो गई C9 से H9. So this is your range. Now coming to next one, that is data, labels, functions and formulas. You can see data क्या होता है, जो भी आप values वर्कशीट में एंटर करते हो या किसी भी सेल में एंटर करते हो, सो वी कॉल इट डेटा. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इसको हम डेटा बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज लेबल्स, लेबल्स क्या होते हैं, लेबल्स इज द टेक्स्ट दैट आइडेंटिफाइज द डेटा. एंड व्हाट इज फंक्शंस, फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं, फंक्शंस आर द बिल्ट इन फीचर्स ऑफ कैलकुलेटर to perform some operations, or we can say to perform some calculations. Now coming to next one, what is formula, formula क्या होता है, formulas are defined by users for calculations as per the requirements. जो भी आपकी requirements हैं उसके according जो भी आप calculations के लिए use करते हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, उसको हम formula बोलते हैं. So till now what we have understood, we have understood what is cell address, what is cell reference, what is cell range, and what is data, label, function, and formula. Now coming to next part, what we are going to understand. We are going to understand what is open, save, and close functions in a spreadsheet. How we can open a spreadsheet, how we can save a spreadsheet, and how we can close our spreadsheet. Now coming to very first one, that is opening a spreadsheet. So what you can do, you can go to this file option, and in this file option you can see one option, that is the open. So what is the keyboard shortcut to open a spreadsheet? The keyboard shortcut is Control plus O. Control plus O is the keyboard shortcut to open a spreadsheet. What if I want to open a new spreadsheet? मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे एक नई spreadsheet को open करना है. So what is the keyboard shortcut to open a new workbook, or you can say to open a new spreadsheet? So the keyboard shortcut is Control plus N, and you can see from here that is the new. So in file, in new, you can see new spreadsheet. So how you can open a spreadsheet? The keyboard shortcut to open a new spreadsheet is Control plus N. Now coming to next one, that is the save. So what is the keyboard shortcut to save a workbook? What if I want to save a workbook? So what is the keyboard shortcut? That is Control plus S. क्या होता है? Control plus S आपका keyboard shortcut होता है. When you press Control plus S, a window will appear like this. So here what you have to do, you have to give the name. Suppose I want to give the name as work 1. And here you can see save as type. So you can see different options. What you have to select, you have to select ODF spreadsheet. And what I am going to do, I am going to save from here. So in this way, you can save your worksheet. What is the keyboard shortcut which you are going to use to save your worksheet? The keyboard shortcut is Control plus S. Now coming to very last one, that is to close a workbook. What if I want to close a workbook? So is there any keyboard shortcut to close a workbook? Yes, there is one keyboard shortcut, that is Control plus F4. So that's all for today's session. In today's session, what we have learned so far? We have learned about all the basic requirements of calculator spreadsheet. In our next session, we are going to learn more about electronic spreadsheet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.